Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aahana Goyel, and today I'm going to talk about my services action journey. I'll categorize this project to direct service. The global context I explored was personal and cultural expressions, and the strand was the ways in which we discover and express ideas, feelings, nature, culture, beliefs, and values. I chose this global context because I'm expressing my feelings and helping the needy. I'm reinforcing my social skills. This project addresses the SDG Zero Hunger as I'm internally helping my community and thinking about it. Now, here's a collage of all my evidences of this project. Now, my main aim when I started this project was to help the needy, help my community. When the COVID pandemic started, our teachers taught us about the rise in the cases and the lockdown. So then I started to think about the needy. How are they coping up with this new change? I wanted to help them in a way. So I thought when I'm going to cook food and then distribute it to them, it's going to be a nice way to help the community. I started to do this before the services action, and I'm going to continue to do it after the services action project. I'm thinking about having a campaign in which everyone can cook food and then store it in one place, and every day we can go and distribute it. Thank you.